everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone? Today I will be testing a makeup brand that I never tried before, and this is by Beauty Bay. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have a few makeup products that I have to try, and I have a blusher in the shade Blossom, a highlighter in the shade Flash, a bronzer and this in the shade Fawn, and I also have an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Sunset Horizon. I also have a eyeshadow base, a lipstick, and also a lip liner, and I also have to test a eyeliner. So yeah, I will be right back. Okay, so I'll start with the eyeshadow base, and this is how it looks like. This is shade Beige 2, yeah, and I'm really curious how this will perform actually. Yeah, you can see, I can still see my veins underneath this, but I'll just see how it goes with the eyeshadow palette. Okay, moving on to the best part, the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I've made a video already with a Beauty Bay haul, and I've made some swatches as well, but now I'm just gonna check how it's gonna perform in the eyelid, because I've heard so good things about this brand and I really want to try it. Okay, so probably I'll do a sunset look. Okay, so first I'm gonna go with this shade in here, this bright red called Flamingo, and I'm gonna take quite a big fluffy brush. It seems to be a bit of a fallout in the pan, but this doesn't bother me. I'm really curious how pigmented it is actually. So I am gonna start, let me blend this in perfectly. I'm gonna start in my outer V. Oh, it's really pigmented. And I'm just gonna do tapping motion, yep. This is how the color is gonna pay off. It's really bright. Okay, next I'm gonna go with the shade Sorbet, and it's this bright orange, and I have another brush. And I'm trying to mix these two together. Okay, and then for the actual rest of the lid, I'm gonna take this shade in here, this pink called Moonlight or Moonlit. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. Okay, I'm going back in that bright pink Flamingo. And now I will start to blend. But just the outer V, not going further. Okay, for my brow bone, I think I'm gonna go with this pink called Dusk. think to brighten up a bit long, because I don't really like this shade in here. It feels faded. I think I'm gonna go with the shade Mirage on top of it. And I'm gonna use my finger. It looks quite bright. Okay. It is pigmented. I'm really tempted to use a bit of a black just on a small brush. Okay, and I'm taking the same brush to actually blend everything out. Just wanted a splash of black to deepen up the color in there. That's it. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go with these two shades mixed. So Flamingo and Midnight. And I'm gonna start in my outer corner. And in my inner corner, I'm going again with shade Mirage. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go and finish the other eye off camera. I'm gonna add my base, so foundation, and then I'll have a few more products actually to try on from them. Okay guys, so I'm back. The lashes are on. I've also added the eyeliner. Oh, where I put it? So this is the eyeliner. It's a dark, I think it's a, just let me double check. I think it's a black and has like a midnight blue sheen on it. So kind of has a bit of a sparkle, but looks really nice on the eye. Okay, so next what I'm gonna try is actually the bronzer. I'm really curious if this is, oh my gosh, if this is really pigmented or not. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade Fawn. It has a bit of a fallout in the pan. Just let me check. Is it right? I like the color. It's not too dark. Seems alright. It's not patchy. Next, I will try the blush, and I need another. I need another brush. Okay, shade Blossom. This is how it looks. It has a bit of a sheen on it. Okay, so let's see. This has a bit of a fold in the pan as well. It's good. And also I have a highlighter. This I think is, I'm most excited about it. I want to try this for a long time now. So shade Flash. This is how it looks like. Quite a fall. But, oh wow. This is the type of highlighter I actually like. It needs to, it's not too glittery, which I love, because I don't really like a natural looking type of highlighter. There's no point actually, I don't know, from my point of view, what's the point to actually have highlighter if it's not beaming? So I love it. Definitely I love it. And before I forget, my inner corner as well. Yep, it's really nice and sparkly. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, and I have two more products to actually check. I have a lip liner, but I don't know how these are gonna go together, because this is more like a pink nude and the lipstick is actually red. So hopefully I'm gonna make it work. Not bad. It's really nice. And I think I'm gonna add one more final touch, a bit of concealer. So I'm really curious. I will try something first. It does transfer. It feels a bit matte. So my conclusion, actually, I loved every single product from them I tried today. I mean, the palette performed brilliantly. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. The colors are really great. They're really pigmented. They're extremely creamy. There's a bit of fallout in the pan, but I don't mind, to be honest. And maybe this one was a bit too powdery, the moonlight shade. But yeah, I think the palette just was gorgeous. There's nothing bad to say about it. About the eyeshadow base, it performed really well, even if it wasn't like really full coverage that I'm used to it. It didn't crease that much. It actually, I don't know, make the colors stay on. Nothing creases. It wasn't, I don't know, any patches, nothing. So this was really great as well. It's nothing I don't like. So yeah, also these three, they perform so perfectly. I mean, the bronzer, the blusher, the highlighter, they're all really pigmented, but they're buildable as well. So I like this about it. It's nothing, it's no patchiness, nothing wrong about it. Also the lipstick performed really well. It has a nice creamy texture. I think it's matte. Yeah, it says matte lipstick in here, but it doesn't feel dry on your lips. It's really comfortable. I don't know, yeah, I liked it as well. And also the lip liner was really great. I mean, it's not the most creamy lip liner I tried, but it's pigmented and it stays on. It's, yeah, I definitely recommend. And the last thing, I've just checked, because I've done here a swatch. This is waterproof, transfer proof, doesn't go away. I mean, I tried it to use like a, you know, a baby wipe or something, but it doesn't go away. So it glides really nice when you apply it. You don't struggle at all. I mean, it goes really smoothly on your eyelid. Even if I have eyeshadow, as you can see right now, it just goes smoothly, no interruptions, stays on. I'm really glad it actually doesn't transfer, it doesn't smudge in anything. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. I hope you really liked it. Just tell me, have you tried any of these products? Just let me know in the comments below. And just what other videos would you like me to do? I mean, what else would you like to see from me? I would like to try new products. I don't mind. This one actually blew my mind. I'm really impressed. But yeah, thank you for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.